Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into TD Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your TD Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address td.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of TD Bank itself. Then let's wait for it. Now you can see guys, this is the home page of TD Bank. Now in order to log into your account, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there are the account types from personal, small business, commercial to investing. Mine one is the personal, so I'll be just clicking on the personal. You can go to any of these account categories which is yours. So let's click on the personal one, and over here at the right side there you can see either to log into easy web online banking or web broker. Mine one is the easy web, so I'll be just clicking on the easy web. And over here guys, either you'll be required to enter your username or your access card. Now I'll be entering my username over here, and after that enter your password which you had registered on TD Bank at the time of creating your account. And after that, click on login, guys. But if you forgotten your password or your username, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot your username or password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be able to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost by giving in some credentials. And with that being said, guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your TD Bank account online on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your TD Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.